Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Google Sheets, how to automatically highlight negative numbers using red text or red cells. This is a really useful feature, especially if you work with budgets, sales reports, or any data where you want those negative numbers to stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your sheets do the hard work for you so you can easily spot problem areas at a glance. Let's get started. First up, open the Google Sheet you want to format. Take a moment to select the range of cells where your numbers are. This could be a column, a row, or even the whole sheet, depending on your data. It's best to select only where you expect numbers, since the formatting we're about to apply will target any negative values in that range. Now with your range selected, head up to the top menu bar and click on Format. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Choose Conditional Formatting. This opens up the Conditional Formatting panel on the right side of your screen. What we're doing here is setting up a rule so that Google Sheets will watch the cells you picked and automatically change the color based on the content. It's a bit like telling Google Sheets, if you see any negative numbers, make them red so I can catch them easily. Next, look for the section in the panel labeled Format Cells if this is where you define your condition. From the list of options, select less than. We use less than because every negative number is by definition less than 0, so for the value, simply type in 0. You're basically instructing Google Sheets, hey, for every number smaller than 0, apply the special formatting. Now comes the fun part, deciding what that special formatting should look like. Under Formatting Style, you have several options. For a simple but effective approach, click on the little text color button and choose a bright red shade. Instantly, you'll see a preview in your sheet right as you adjust it. If you prefer, you can get creative here. Maybe change the fill color of the cell to red instead, or combine both for maximum visibility. But for most purposes, sticking to red text is clear and professional. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and press Done. Take a moment to check your work. Any cell in your selected range with a negative number should now be highlighted in red. If you made a mistake or want to tweak the format, you can always click back into conditional formatting and adjust as needed. And that's it. You've just made your data a whole lot easier to scan, and your negative numbers are now easy to spot in seconds. This method helps reduce errors and can really save you time. No more scrolling through rows trying to catch those pesky negatives manually. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and let me know if you've got any questions or run into any snags in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.